first time driving this truck, you know, they shift a little different. Every truck shifts a little different, you know? First we blew a tire. Now, apparently the intercooler on my truck blew up. That's a big deal. That's not an easy fix. The metal flange that holds the piping on apparently just popped off. Diesel trucks don't like to go very well with no boost. It's weird, I've never had one of those intercoolers blow up before. We're gonna go get them and pull them back with this. What a hell of a train.